Hey yo, just a bit of silicone now and the job is done. I've just been having a bit of lunch, giving this a bit of time to dry. Wicked. Throw that one away. That's better. What have I got there? I tell you, anyone can do silicone. Why they make it look so hard, I'll never know. See that? My favourite hand tool, everyone. What I'm doing, I'll go across the bottom, up there, then I'm able to do that, and if any water runs down, it won't wet at all. At the beginning, the owner said to me, "Oh, you must get a lot of enjoyment out of it." And I said, "Yeah, well, I do. It's not just the money. It's the enjoyment I get out of people being really happy when they have a finished. When I've finished. They're all excited and they're grateful and, they love the job and all that sort of thing." And I just got the gratefuls a minute ago. Of course, I love, I like the money. Bloody oath. But it's neat. Making people happy too. There's a certain bit of satisfaction there. It's good. What's that? See how I'm not worried about a perfect bead when you're putting it in. You don't have to. Give it a bit of soapy water and your paddle pop stick. And you're laughing. Any silicone on your tile on the side, you just change the position of your paddle pop stick. If you need to, just pull out your hand tool . Alright people, I'll just go across the bottom there. Ushka. And there we go. Nice. Now I can do around that window, and when the water runs down, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. So I'll leave that till last. Same as Manish there. I'll do that last as well. See you soon people. I'll be back to you on the ensuite. Later.